and welcome to the highlights of Match 7 of the Pakistan Junior League. Bahawalpur Royals, the table toppers versus Mardan Warriors.
Oh, it's a beautiful shot. It's so good because he knows third is up in the circle and he's just staying deep. Can't bowl there. Cannot bowl there to a man in form. As Ali will just put away half volleys so easily. Oh, he's got a nick. He has the big wicket. What a catch as well. Full swing and Bazid Ali is out. It's a shock here in the ground. Pulled back. Past the bowler. This will be a little bit of relief for the Royals. They have a boundary to finish off the 4 overs.
Nicely worked through the onside. Powerful enough. Finds the gap. Has enough pace to go into the boundary line. This will help their scoring rate. Edged. Wide, swinging away. No slip in play. Chopped on. Well, his persistence has worked and produced another wicket. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful stroke. Terrific shot.
He runs now. He's got a good connection. And he's beats point for a boundary. Yeah, it was on the cards. It was bound to happen. The pressure was just crushing them down. Just ramps that, and he knows third man is in. One bounce, that's more like it. That's a good looking shot. That's one of the best, and have a look at that. He's played that for a maximum over extra.
And because of that, the batter just plays that ramp. He was searching for that shot. And that's a brilliant catch. Not the area that he intended that stroke to go in, but Mohammad Irfan with a stunner. Ball toss. Struck well enough to go all the way for 6. Yeah, when you go too wide, you can get sliced away behind point, just like this. There's that paddle, using the pace, and the execution, very good. So, first boundary in the over. To just a single, so the innings ends on 145 for 4, 11 runs coming off the final over.
Target 146 to win this match. Let's find out how the Mardan Warriors chase. For margin of error is very slim. Shot. I mean, he hits the ball hard. This time it's Shahzeb. It was too full. Just went with the full swing of the bat, cleared the circle, and then the ball is on its way. And he will keep hitting boundaries. He just makes it look so easy, effortless. Wow, that was hit hard. Good that Edward got his boot away. 4 gone, 32 for no loss. Again, upish in the air, but just passes the vacant area for a boundary.
Finds a gap. That's a nice looking stroke. He had enough length on this one to rock onto the back foot and pick his spot. And he goes for it once more. Nails it better this time. Flies all the way for 6. That's a fine stroke. Terrific shot. Way too short. And in the gap. Another 6 in the over. Already 16 from it. Nicely played. For a moment you felt that fielder in long off will get around, but the timing was so sweet.
Get it!
Return catch taken.
Picked up, and this will just race away for his second 50 in this Pakistan Junior League. Oh, he just gets rid of that left leg and another boundary. You can see that George Thomas wants this game done and dusted as quickly as possible.
That's a boundary. That's how you hit it.
Could be out. Is out, caught. Ollie Cox decided that he wanted to try and hit it out the ground. This one was sliced past Zishan, who was in the circle. So a dot, then a boundary. This one sliced away to Zishan. He takes it. You wanted him on a couple of overs ago. He's the wicket taker.
Going with the slow ball. And he gets the results. That's a wicket, another one. Was there an edge? Was there an edge? He believes so. The finger goes up. Will the batter review? No, he's walking off, so that's another good result for the Royals. Up and over, as you called it. One bounce into the boundary line. That strike coming at the right time for the Mardan Warriors. Goes for the lofted drive and nails it. That's a delightful stroke to end this match number 7. It's the wicketkeeper, Dawood Nazar, with the clean strike that secures 2 points